Exercise: various leadership styles. For exercise, we have a number of situations in this table. The situations are represented in this column. The leadership style is in another column. Your job is to go through the situations one by one and find out which leadership style is fitting in the best. We have already seen a number of leadership styles such as transformative, charismatic, autocratic, democratic, among others. If you do not remember, go back, revisit before trying to answer these questions. Bring out your pen and paper or pencil and try to solve on your own first. Once you are done, you can come back to see the solution. You can pause here. Alright, I believe you have tried. Let us see the answers. Situation 1. Most of your team members are having little experience and have less familiarity with each other as the project begins. In other words, you are in the initial stages of the project. Hence, the team members are going to be inexperienced. They are not very competent. Hence, you should go for an autocratic or directive leadership style. Situation 2. An emergency situation arose when an unknown occurred. One team member led the resolution of the specific and critical issue which thought to be unresolvable. So an unknown occurred. Unknown simply put is something which you have not forecasted. However, it happened. So the situation was unknown. The response was also unknown. Nevertheless, one team member took an initiative and solved the issue. In other words, the leadership emerged. It was not there. This is emergent leadership style. This is a good leadership style. In fact, as a project manager, you should encourage such leadership styles because you are not going to have leadership in every scenario. Any team member can come up and show leadership behavior. To do that, as a project manager, you have to have conducive and safe environment. Situation 3. The PM wants all the team members to be actively involved while making a decision. So the project manager is taking inputs from all the team members and finally deciding together on the decision. This is pretty straightforward. It is democratic leadership style. However, if I change the scenario a bit and I say the PM wants the team member to take the decisions on their own. In such a case, the team becomes self-organizing, self-managing, and self-directing. Only such a team can take a decision on their own. In that case, it will be servant leadership, which is used in agile environment predominantly. Situation 4. The PM takes all the design and technology related decisions for the project, though inputs are sometimes sought from subject matter experts. So here again, the PM is taking all the decisions. Nevertheless, inputs are taken sometimes from the SMEs. Of course, it will be autocratic decision making or autocratic leadership style. Situation 5. If the manager believes his vision is transformative, exhibits high energy, inspires and motivates, but strongly opposes anyone who goes against his convictions. You might think it is transformative leadership because the word is clearly mentioned. However, it is not the case because of the last part of this sentence. Strongly opposes anyone who goes against his convictions. This is charismatic leadership style. People with charisma sometimes feel that decisions are the best decisions. They can do no wrong. In other words, they have a feeling of invincibility. And this is charismatic leadership style. I hope with this you have a better understanding with respect to various leadership style. Remember, when you apply leadership style, understand the environment, the situation, and the context. It is not that you are going to apply a single leadership style. Many times, you might combine a number of leadership styles together, 2 or 3 leadership styles. Also, depending on the state of the project or the stage of the project, the leadership style can change. For example, if you are in the later stages of the project is getting completed, at that time, you need not go for autocratic leadership style because the team members by that time are experienced, are competent team members. Hence, you should go for facilitative or delegative leadership style, which are another set of leadership styles. Nevertheless, as I said, whenever you apply the leadership style, understand the context and the situation and then apply a particular leadership style.